housewarming and birthday ceremony. Okay. Congratulations once again on your delayed.
7th of February 2024. Mrs. Fathia Williams, veteran Nollywood actress, Lagos State, Nigeria. Invitation, Yomi Fabiyi's housewarming and birthday ceremony on May 1st, 2024. Thank you for receiving Lobel Entertainment warmly. This invitation bundle is for Yomi Fabiyi's housewarming and birthday ceremony coming up on the 1st of May 2024 in Abeokuta. While thanking you in advance for your decision to honor Yomi Fabiyi's invitation through us, please be assured of our continued regards for your person. Relevant information attached. Yours faithfully, Tope Lawal and Shadi Bello for Lobel Entertainment, Canada.
No, Allah. What is this?
So the candidation
Kamala. Then this is the filler. Lobel. Thank you for giving me this, and I will surely be there, inshallah, because to life. And congratulations once again. This package is for all ambitions. Thank you for bringing this.
Thank you.